So I want to start this off with a massive thank you to the new subscribers. There's been quite a lot of you who have decided to subscribe to me, knowing what you're getting into. I promise you now, I've tried to record this video quite a few times, and I've looked back my old videos. I don't have Parkinson's, so if you've seen my old videos and know how bad they were, I'm glad you're along for the ride for some good stuff, because it can only get better. End of the week then, what have I been up to? Well, I feel like I've painted loads. I feel like I've spent most evenings doing some sort of painting. I just don't feel like I've got proper end results like I would have if I was doing bolt action, and that's probably because I'm doing the Ancients again. But my Crusade army is growing. This is what I class as Templar Sergeants and Hospital Sergeants. The difference between the two is that I used a jewelry, I can't even say the words, a saw to take the plastic plinths off of the bottom of the Hospitalisers, so they're just the feet, and I plonked them on. And that's what I'm going to do with my motherfucker. That's what I'm going to do with my Sergeants of Ebelin. So I'll take them off their stands, I'll get new bases, and I'll get them done. Concurrently, I haven't done anything more to these guys, but I have done 6 of my 12 crossbowmen. So they're at the wash stage, and they'll get done this week. So hopefully by the end of this coming week, I'll have 6 crossbowmen, the cavalry done, and my 3 units based, finished, good to go. And then I've got cavalry. Well, it is cavalry, I guess, but it's my camels in the background that I'm sort of working on. But I want to sort of use the internet a bit better and do some research into what they look like. I really struggle with non-uniformed units or armies, trying to make them look good and think of a colour scheme that would work to try and get a blend or tie them in. Whereas obviously Knights Templar white, Hospitalised black, so on and so forth. Ebelin a split. I'm not going for historical accuracy. I just want to get what I think looks good in a display cabinet, and hopefully, God forbid, if anybody lives near to Peterborough, Huntingdon, Cambridge, who's into bolt action or Hail Caesar, fancies a game, then I'm there. I can do it, and I'll meet you up and have a game with you. But ultimately, as it has been since sort of lockdown, my painting and modelling is purely been for the display cabinets only. So it's a bit of a glass coffin for these guys, but yeah, they're coming along. So Crusaders, halfway there for this sort of segment of what I already have. Christmas is around the corner. I might treat myself to some more units, but until Victrix releases, until Victrix releases their medieval range, and hopefully a Byzantine range, I don't think I'm going to go down the Fireforge range, because I don't particularly like their models at all. Yeah, that's my weekly update. I don't have Parkinson's. Yeah. Thanks for watching.